Okay, so your one is a hot water. That's why now the sleeping mode because 80 degree just now is there. Your sub point is there. Here, your sub point, hot water sub point here. Unit here. 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, so 80 degrees Celsius. Your one 80 degrees Celsius, and then differential to stop. You see, how much? Stop 4. So 84 he will stop. Differential to start. That means 75 he will start. Okay. 85 he will start. Okay. So now you see 75 he will start. Now sleeping mode because you see auto. Condenser stay flow. That means sleeping mode. Sleeping mode means compressor no running. He reached the temperature 75 because you see now how much? Certain. You see 80 differential to start 5. That means 80 minus 5 means 75. You are going to start soon. You see now 0.4 different. You want to start, I can change the start point. You see now auto mode. You see waiting for need to cool the hot water circulate. Okay, so now it's how much? 73. Okay, going to start. Okay, never mind. I cannot wait. I don't want to wait. I to change the setting. Different to start. I put the 6. I want to run now. Okay lah. He did. 6. Okay. 6 means more water. Oh, more. Oh, no, 6. That means the 4. Okay, Okay lah. I 4 ready. Okay. You see? No, start ready. Now going to start compressor. You see? Hold on now. You see? Waiting for your side. Okay? I need like that. Now you are heat back going to start. Okay. So running down you see expansion bar, temperature high down, expansion bar open or no open. You will see. That means okay. Now waiting the evaporator side. This evaporator water flow, he will walk in already. Now, waiting for evaporator water flow, hot water. Okay, Man, evaporator is auto run or need to run manual? Auto run, you can auto run. Okay, running na. Okay. Okay, going to run now. Evaporator water flow ready. Okay, now hot water control. Going to start. Now starting. Sắp quay chơi mà nhà này nó làm ngon rồi sắp quay chơi một lửa nó